Great morning student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to continue our chapter. Our chapter name is Getting Started with Word Processor Application. In this chapter we have discussed that is our word processor program. In this according to syllabus we have discussed Open Office Writer. There is a open office writer because according to our syllabus that is Open Office Writer. In 5th class you already read MS Word, so that is the similar to MS Word. Recap, because in last video we are going to discuss this point. Firstly, introduction to word processing, feature of word processing software and word processing application, introduction to LibreOffice and starting LibreOffice. So feature, what are the features? That is the editing software. We can edit anything in our MS Word. Lot of type of editing we can do, formatting, like anything we can do. That is the word processing software. In this video we are going to discuss part of LibreOffice Writer, creating a new document, saving a document, closing a document, conclusion. So some topics also we are going to discuss in this video, that is the navigation bar. Now we continue our video. So that is the interface of our LibreOffice Writer. You can say when you open, before this video we have learned how can we open MS Word Writer, so or LibreOffice Writer. So in this video we are going to discuss part of LibreOffice Writer. How can we open? Go in Start button and select the LibreOffice option and then click on Office Writer. Then this type of interface open in your window. So our first blue line and where the 3 control button available, that is our title bar. This bar is our menu bar. This bar is our menu bar. File, edit, view, insert, format, these types of menu bar available here. That is our standard toolbar. Standard toolbar, there are some shortcut available in this bar. Now next is formatting bar. Formatting bar means you can do the formatting related to your text. Means you can change the color, you can change the size, you can change the language using this format, this bar, formatting toolbar. That is our working area, white area. We can application icon, that is our application icon. Cursor, small blinking line is called cursor. That is scroll bar, vertical and horizontal. There are the 2 scroll bar available. That is a slider. We can slide our screen up and down, and that is left to right we can move. And that is zoom slider. We can zoom our document, means you can increase and decrease your size of your image, your document. Okay, so that is your interface. Now creating a new document. Firstly, how can we create the new document? LibreOffice, click on LibreOffice Writer, document option available. Now creating a document using keyboard, menu bar or toolbar. So firstly go in file menu and select the new option. Select the new option, text document और न्यू आइकन ऑन द स्टैंडर्ड टूल बार. जो हमारा स्टैंडर्ड टूल बार है उसमें ऑलरेडी हमारा न्यू ऑप्शन अवेलेबल होता है. वी कैन यूज न्यू ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द दैट बार. नेक्स्ट यू कैन यूज कंट्रोल प्लस एन की, मीन्स देर आर द 3 वे टू insert new document. Firstly go in file menu and that is according to standard bar you can choose the standard toolbar, new icon, and that is a shortcut key control plus N. When you press then your new document will be opened. Okay, now क्रिएटिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट यूजिंग अ टेम्पलेट मीन्स अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को कैसे आप टेम्पलेट की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हो। न्यू आइकन और न्यू टेम्पलेट, जो हम डायरेक्ट सिंपल हम न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट लेते हैं वहाँ पे हम Ctrl+N यूज़ करते हैं। जहाँ पे हमने टेम्पलेट लेनी है वी चूज़ Ctrl+Shift+N की। ओके, या तो आप आइकन के थ्रू कर सकते हो या आप शॉर्टकट के थ्रू भी कर सकते हो। हाउ कैन यू सेव योर फाइल? सेम मेथड आर फॉलो व्हेन वी सेव आवर फाइल, सेविंग अ न्यू फाइल और अ प्रीवियसली सेव फाइल। फाइल मेन्यू, गो इन फाइल मेन्यू and save option, that is save dialog box will become and you save your file. Second has save icon will be there, you choose the save icon and then dialog box will become and give the file name and your file will be saved, and press Ctrl S, you can save your file. Okay, saving a new document, saving a file to remote server, a file save the remote server. Firstly, it will be work when you are working on the remote server. ये कब वर्क करेगा? जब आप रिमोट सर्वर पर वर्क कर रहे हैं। Save all files, go to file menu, click on the save all option, then your all file will be saved. Save a document automatically means you want to your document automatically save, then go to tool option, load and save option and journal option, we move and click on the save auto recovery information. आप क्या कर दोगे? वहाँ से क्लिक कर देंगे save auto recovery information and set the time interval means कुछ टाइम के बाद आप उसमें टाइम इंटरवल डाल देंगे, जैसे हम स्लाइड्स में डालते हैं वहाँ पे हम टाइम स्लॉट डाल देते हैं। आफ्टर टाइम स्लॉट, आफ्टर सम टाइम विच टाइम यू गिव, देन योर फाइल ऑटोमेटिकली विल बी सेव। क्लिक ओके। नाउ फाइल मेन्यू, क्लोज और क्लोज, यानी मीन्स हाउ कैन वी क्लोज योर डॉक्यूमेंट? File menu and there is a close option available, then you close your file. Close button of the right top right corner, there are the three control button, cross button, minimize, maximize, then cross button you use, then your file will be closed. Existing document means how can we open the existing document? Once a document is saved, when you save your document on your computer, it can retrieve anytime, means that document या file will be saved for future use, we can use easily. Now next is follow this step to open existing document. Go in file menu and open option and recent document. Open the icon standard toolbar, there is a icon also, there are also three option available and Ctrl+O. You can use the file menu, that is open option, you can open your file, and if you want to open from the icon, standard bar icon, then you use from there, and Ctrl+O shortcut key you can use to open existing file. Use of the navigator writer is used वर्किंग विद द लार्ज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स डॉक्यूमेंट। कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है? जहाँ पे हमारी लार्ज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स डॉक्यूमेंट होते हैं वहाँ पे हमारा यूज़ होता है। यू कैन सी देयर इज अ वन इमेज नाउ, जहाँ पे हमारा लार्ज और कॉम्प्लेक्स डॉक्यूमेंट है, वेयर वी यूज़ द नेविगेटर। अ लार्ज डॉक्यूमेंट हैज़ द मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक टेबल, हेडिंग, सेक्शन, हाइपरलिंक, कमेंट्स एसोसिएटेड विद इट। ओके, सभी कंबाइन होता है इसमें। नेक्स्ट, नेविगेटर फैसिलिटेट इजी टू एक्सेस नेविगेशन बिटवीन दीज ऑब्जेक्ट, मीन्स आप इजीली इसमें सर्च करो, दैट इज आवर नेविगेशन टूल बार। ओके, नाउ the use of navigator. In this window all the objects are displayed in the of the listed. To access object, double click on the object name. So you can see there is a navigator bar and there is a heading, demos, tables, table 1, frame, which shapes, which thing you want to access, then you can easily find out from there. To access navigator, choose the view navigator and simply press F5 के, या तो आप व्यू ऑप्शन में जाके नेविगेटर टूल बार्स है उसको आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो, सर्च कर सकते हो, वहाँ से आप नेविगेटर ओपन कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज यू कैन प्रेस F5 की, देन योर navigator bar will be open. You can see in view menu there is a navigator bar available, and if you want to choose shortcut key, then you can use shortcut key of navigator bar. So these are the property panel you can see. Now basic function of the navigator window. Next page button is used to move the succeeding page. मतलब आपको एक आगे मूव करना है, that is the succeeding page, that is the next page option available. Previous page, if you want to previous page, then this option is used to move preceding page from the current page document. So there are the two options available, succeeding and preceding. So if you want to succeeding means आप एक इससे आगे चाहते हो तो आप succeeding यूज़ करोगे, अगर आप previous page चाहते हो तो आप preceding यूज़ करोगे. Okay. Header and footer option. This option is used to jump between the document text and header or footer. Header give the heading of the page and footer give the foot type, means end of the page. Okay. So content view, this option is used to toggle between all the object in the navigator. Now cursor and mouse pointer. Text cursor movement. The vertical blinking line. cursor movement क्या होती है? Text cursor movement. Vertical blinking line in a document window is called cursor. जो हमारी blank area पे एक blinking line show होती है, that is our cursor. So what do you mean by cursor? A vertical blinking line is called cursor. You can move the cursor in the document by using cursor control key. कर्सर कंट्रोल की होती है ना हमारी एरोज़ की के थ्रू आप मूवमेंट को उसको चेंज कर सकते हो. देयर आर द 4 एरोज़ की, लेफ्ट, राइट, अप एंड डाउन. ओके. नाउ टेक्स्ट कर्सर मूवमेंट you can see some other keys also. home key यानी you move in your first page, and control plus home key you can use, and key also you can use. You can move if you want to end of the page, then you use the end of the key. Then control plus and keys, page up key, page down key, these key also we use directly. Cursor and mouse pointer. Then mouse movement, a small arrow on the computer screen is called mouse pointer. It change the shape I beam, means इस टाइप से उसकी शेप होती है. when you bring it our text in this situation is called text selector cursor. You can edit the text by moving the text select cursor over the text and clicking the desired text to edit it. Thus the mouse is used to control the text cursor location. Okay. So that is the conclusion. Some points here. Word processor provide the many way to create, save, close a document. How can we open document? Word process provide the navigator tools. So these things also we provide our. I hope you understand all the topic. Thank you, student.